Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is efficiency, useful output divided by total input. By the end of this video, you'll know the formula, why nothing is 100% efficient, and where the wasted energy goes. Efficiency is the ratio of useful energy output to total energy input. It's often given as a percentage. The formula, efficiency equals useful out divided by total in. Multiply by 100 for a percentage. No units, it's a ratio. Three things. 1. Efficiency can never exceed 100%, or 1.0 as a fraction. 2. Wasted energy isn't destroyed, it goes to less useful stores, usually heat or sound. 3. Incandescent bulbs are about 5% efficient. LEDs about 40%. Modern motors and generators much higher. Common slip. Getting an answer above 100%. If you do, recheck your maths and remember energy is conserved. Wasted energy is real. It just isn't useful for the intended purpose. Quick example. A motor inputs 500 joules. The useful output is 350 joules. So the efficiency is 350 divided by 500 equals 0.7 or 70%. The other 150 joules went mostly to heat in the motor bearings and friction. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks in maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slipped across each subject. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.